If you're still slicing your green veggies in the market, I'm so sorry to let you know this, that you're one of those eating worms and millipedes in your food. Yes, that's very correct. Anyhow you want to take it, that's for you. But I must tell you the fact, especially when it comes to rainy season. Rainy season, you see worms. Hmm. There's no way you will not see worm while plugging your water leaf from the farm. There's no way you will not see them attached to the water leaf. And whereby you're buying it in the market and you're telling the market women to slice the water leaf for you, or any kind of vegetables you're buying in the market and you're slicing it in the market, my dear, you're eating so much germs and germs in your food, because there's no way a market woman will pluck the water leaf before slicing it. They don't do it. That's a waste of time. They only cut the head, the side, those bone that is strong. They only cut that head off, then and start slicing it. And they are slicing with everything that is inside that water leaf. Imagine. I don't know if anyone has washed water leaf and now saw some pieces of worm or millipede in their vegetables while washing them. There's no, if you're washing, there's no way those things will go out. I tell you for free, they will not go out. It's only the sand that you will see under. Those things have weight. Yes, they have weight. They cannot, they can't sink. They will stick to the water leaf. They cannot sink down. You only see the sand under the basin, the bowl you're using to wash. So if you're still slicing your vegetables in the market, my dear, just watch it. I would say there's nothing in it. If you still want to do it, do some part of it, okay, just to save your time. Just why not tell them, let them just plug it, let them leave the cutting aspect of it. They should help you to plug the water leaf in the market. That one would less some stress part of it. But for me, I like doing it from the scratch. Yes, because I've been into ugu, water leaf, vegetables planting, so I know what is involved. So you can't see me going to the market to slice my vegetables. No, I don't do that. But if you must do any of it, just tell the market women, let them plug it for you. Then you take it to the house, wash it very well. You can saw me washing mine. I wash it twice because this one I got it from my farm. They are not that dirty, so I had to wash it twice. And after washing it for the second time, there was no sand under the bowl. So you can wash it as many as you want to wash yours, depending how dirty your own is. So there's nothing in it. Just wash it. Wash. You can see me cutting it. There's nothing. Cutting it with so much tease. Soak the meal. I'm even slicing it tiny, tiny, because I don't want to be cooking. Then I'm seeing that big particle of the leaf inside. So I like slicing mine very tiny. There's nothing in it, in as much as you have a sharp knife. Wow, I'm done slicing it. I'll be washing it now to remove the slimes from it. Yes, you have to wash it to remove the slime out of it. There are two-way method of removing the slime from this water leaf. The other method is by steaming it. Yes, steaming it. But for me, I don't prefer that steaming, because when you steam, the leaf itself die so fast, and you will still be testing that slapping test. It will still be having that slapping test in it. But when you squeeze it like this, when you wash it like this and squeeze out the slimes, you feel the very good taste of the water leaf. So I'm washing, you can see the slime, you can see how drawy it is. If you go ahead and cook it this way, you will be asking yourself after cooking the food if you added this in okra inside it, whereas there was no okra in it. Yes, so you have to wash the slime. I know there are two types of the water leaf. Yes, there are two types of it. The other one doesn't have the slime that you can even cook it like that. After slicing it, you can make use of it like that in your soup without even bothering to wash it. But when it comes to this part, this type of it, because due to this season, it's a rainy season, so you will hardly see that other type. What we'll have now, you'll be seeing mostly now is this type that has so much water in it. So for me, I like washing it before I make use of it. So I've washed the first part. I'll be washing it twice. Yes, I'll be washing it two times so I can have the perfect texture of what I want for my soup. Yes, that is it. But you can choose not to wash it. It is your choice. I know everyone has their own choices, so you can choose not to wash, make use of it like that, or you can even choose to do it the other way around. If you think this other way will be more stressful to you, it all depends on what you want. Or except maybe you want it to taste or look as if you added okra in it, you can go ahead and cook it like that. It's your choice. To me, I'm just here to give you some advice. So as you're seeing me now, I'm doing it exactly the way me I like it. Yes, that's how me I like it. The way you like might not be the way I would like mine. I'm done washing it. See you in my next one.